If you can hear me, clap one. If you can hear me, clap one. So today we are going to work on how organelles capture energy and store proteins. And I'll wait on that. Okay? So we're going to work on how organelles store energy and capture protein or make proteins. And while you are creating your organelles, I want you all to think about a question. And specifically towards the chloroplast. What if a cell does not have a chloroplast or chloroplast? What will happen to that cell if there's no chloroplast? And I want you to think about both the animal and the plant cell. Which cell has chloroplast? Raise your hand. Xavier?
Plant cell.
The plant cell. So while you're creating the plant cell with your claymations today, I want you to think about what if the plant cell has no chloroplast, what will happen? Okay? What's the question that I want you to think about today, Ivy?
What if a cell doesn't have chloroplast?
What if a cell doesn't have chloroplast, okay? Amongst your groups, while you're creating this cell, I want you to think about that, okay? On this side of the room, the person with the shortest hair, go ahead and grab your instructions from the back at 11 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, back in your 6, by 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Person with the longest hair, go ahead and grab your instructions from the back on this side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, Emmanuel, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So go ahead, you have the remainder of class to work on your structures. I will be around asking questions. If you need anything, raise your hand. We are not out of our table areas, meaning you shouldn't be by the door. You should be on the left side if you're on the right side if you're on the left side, okay? Yes, Michael? Yes. Do I have any questions? Go ahead and go at a level whisper. Go ahead and go. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. We have your attention. So, in the beginning of class, I asked you a question. Who can tell me what that question is or was? Jessica.
What would happen to the plant cell if there was no chloroplast?
Speak loud, Jessica.
What would happen to the plant cell if there was no chloroplast?
What would happen to the plant cell if there was no chloroplast? Okay? So I know you talked amongst your group. What will happen? Who can tell me what they think what did their group say will happen? I'm gonna have Ivy, Nia, and then Michael. Go ahead, Ivy.
We believe that plant cell will die after they have chloroplast because the chloroplast is what obtains energy from the sun, and the plant cell doesn't have any other way to obtain energy since it is not a consumer. It can only get energy from the sun, and without its chloroplast, it will die to death.
Nia, do you have something different? So raise your hand if you agree with Ivy. Raise your hand. Uh-oh, I have some people 100% agree with Ivy. Okay. So let's give Ivy one big clap on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. So, but I do have a question for you, Ivy. But I thought the mitochondria create energy for the cell as well. So the plant cell has both organelles, the mitochondria and the chloroplast. So if both of them create some type of energy, Would it die? Nia?
I say yes because the mitochondria needs the energy to break down. So if it's no chloroplast, it won't be the chloroplast wouldn't be able to obtain the energy for the mitochondria.
Good job, okay? So it needs, let's give her one big clap on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. So it needs both. And tell me why she said it needs both, Jenny? Let's give Jenny some energy. Who can help Jenny out? Who can help Jenny out? Go ahead, Jessica.
She said that the mitochondria, it only like breaks down.
Everyone should be tracking Jessica.
The mitochondria only breaks down like the food energy, but the chloroplast is needed to obtain energy.
How does it obtain that energy? What process does it go through to obtain the energy? Raise your hand. What process does the plant go through to obtain that energy? Michael?
Well, since the primary producer needs a photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis, okay? So we know that the plant would be able to survive as needed because you have to have photosynthesis. A part of photosynthesis is chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is a part of the chloroplast. It's only the chemical energy. When the food energy is mitochondria, which gathers the food from the nutrients of the soil. Okay, so it's two different types of energy. They work two different ways, but also need one another so the plant can survive, okay? Let's give everybody one big clap on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and pack up at a level 0. You're at a level 0.